Your personal math history. Do you remember your kindergarten teacher? How about first grade? Take a moment to recall as much as you can about each grade you've had so far. Use what you remember to fill in the tables. Okay, so we're going to use a scale from 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest on the rating part of the tables. First thing, how much did you like math each year? Well, let's see. In first grade, I loved math. It was like my favorite part of the day. So I'm going to give myself a 9 out of 10. Second grade, I also liked math quite a lot, but I don't think I was as enthusiastic. So I'm going to say an 8. Let's do maybe 2 more of these as an example. Third grade, I don't really remember. So let's give it a 7. And then fourth grade math was really boring for me. I think I was not challenged enough. I'm not sure. So I'm going to say fourth grade is a 4. And then let's see, how much did I learn? We'll use that as an example so far in math each year. Well, in first grade, I think I learned a lot. I learned all my numbers. I learned how to add, etc. So I'll say that that's like a 10. And second grade, I don't remember really learning that many things. So we'll make that a 6. Third grade, we did some multiplication. I remember learning that. We'll put that back up to an 8. And in fourth grade, I just did not really connect with math that year. So I'm going to say 3. No, that was a 4. I'm going to say 3. Okay, so now, assuming that I filled out the rest of that table, I'm going to now plot the information on the graph. It says, graph the information from your tables. Be sure to include labels so it's clear which line shows like and which line shows learning. Draw with the pencil tool or the line tool. Use color. Okay, so I'm going to take the pencil tool, and I think I'm going to do liking math. And since it's purple, I'll make it purple, but you don't really have to do that yet. But I can change the color here, so I'm going to make it into purple. And then in first grade, I liked math level 9. So I'm going to go to first grade, and I'm going to go up to 9, and I'm going to make a dot. I could also draw a bar graph there. That'd be fine too. In second grade, I liked math level 8 out of 10. So I'm going to go to second grade, and I'm going to go all the way up to that, and I'm going to make a dot. And then in third grade, I liked it a 7. Oh, looks like we are continually decreasing here. Interesting. And in fourth grade, whoa, I'm all the way down to 4. Okay. So then I can use different tools to connect this together. I could connect it just using the pencil tool and kind of just draw my line. Or if I like to do straighter lines, I can push this line tool up here, and I can draw a line that connects these two things. And I can, if I want to make that purple again, I can also change the color of that, whatever you want there, and you can see how it goes. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with the how much did I learn. Let's go back to the pencil tool. You could also use the highlighter tool, but we'll do pencil, and I'll make it green this time. Let's see, in first grade, I learned a ton. If you want to do kindergarten, you can also fill in kindergarten right here. That's fine with me. Second grade, I learned a 6 out of 10, so a lot less. But third grade, I learned more, an 8 out of 10, etc. And you kind of see how, and then fourth grade, I only learned a 3 out of 10. Woo, fourth grade was rough for me. So you can see if I connect these either with my pencil tool or with my line tool, you can see how that goes. And look, I can change my color again in there. Then I can click on it again and connect them here. The point really is to kind of look and see how these two graphs overlap and how they go together. Are they really similar? Are they really different? And again, you can show your graphs however you want. This is just one method that you could use.